So you just entered our wine cave. It's 17,000 square foot of caves built into the Spring Mountain. In our cave, we have our library, which is very new. We only are about 3 vintages in and very excited about the beginning. We have our 2013 Cabernet Sauvignon, all 100% from our one estate in Coombsville. In this library, you can have full luncheons, wine tastings. We do dinners in here. It's a really fun room to have in the cave. It keeps going, yes.